Nothing says justice like turning a human being into an artisanal sound effect. The Brazen Bull was a hollow metal statue shaped like a bull. You were locked inside. A fire was lit underneath. As the metal heated up, you cooked slowly. The bull was designed with an acoustic system so that your screams echoed through pipes and came out sounding like animal noises. To spectators, it sounded like the bull was alive. Nothing says justice like turning a human being into an artisanal sound effect. Bonus cruelty: after you were done roasting, your bones were sometimes used as jewelry with good luck charms. Which feels excessive, but medieval people never half committed.